believe that the Bank of Justice is bankrupt. We refuse to believe that there are insufficient funds in the great vaults of opportunity of this nation. And so, we've come to cash this check, a check that would give us upon demands the riches of freedom and the security of justice.
Well known are Dr. King's words of affirmation, his speeches, his marches, and his writings. But it is his legacy, not his actions, that define him.